Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Steam download speed. First of all, you want to go to Steam and go on settings. On settings you want to go on downloads, and here on download region you want to choose the region which is yours, or at least the closest to you. Just choose the correct region. Now after you've done that, you want to open up your network connections on control panel. And on control panel you want to go ahead and choose your internet connection, so Ethernet or Wi-Fi, and then right click on it and go to properties. On properties you want to find IPv4, Internet Protocol version 4, double click on it and use the following DNS server addresses just like mine, 8888 and 8844. Just go ahead and write that down and click OK and close this. After that, open up CMD, run it as administrator, and write down these commands. It would be ipconfig for space / and flush DNS, and also netsh winsock reset. After you wrote this down and clicked enter, you want to restart your PC. Now, after you will restart it, if that didn't fix the problem, you want to set the Steam priority to high on Task Manager. So open up Task Manager, then go to details, then write down here Steam. And on Steam exe file, actually you would need to do this for all of them. You want to go ahead and set priority to high right there. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.